So what you are seeing on screen right now is a payment that I received from Max Bounty back in 2018 when I used to do CPA marketing full time. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the top earning affiliates are making money with CPA Grip. So as you can see on screen, this guy here made over $23,000 with CPA Grip. Here you can see that this guy made $8,000 and some people are making even $50,000 with CPA marketing on CPA Grip. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make 50 cents per click and make up to $100 per day using this exact strategy. So the first step is to go to cpagrip.com. Now before I get started, I just want to mention that it doesn't matter which network you choose, all of them work. So whether that's Max Bounty, CPA Grip, CPA Lead, it doesn't matter. You can sign up to any network as long as it's available in your country. So what you want to do is head over to cpagrip.com and click on register. Now this is all basic stuff. You all know how to enter your name and email address, but the most important step on this sign up form is to choose publisher type GPT. This is going to allow you to get approved much faster. Alright, so once you have an account, make sure to log in and I'm going to show you guys what to do next. So here when you log in, you can see the dashboard and you can see the public chat. Now this is very motivating to see that some people are making a lot of money with CPA Grip. For example, Tim has earned $24,000 all time with 11,000 leads. Or someone like Belak has earned $23,000 all time with 17,000. So you can see that you can really make a lot of money with this strategy. And what I'm going to do is show you how these guys are earning this amount of money with CPA Grip. So the first thing what you want to do is click on offers and my offers. Now this is going to give you all of the offers available on the CPA Grip network. Now as you can see on the right side, you can see that some of these offers pay you out on average of, for example, 15 cents per click, or if you do this one like 13 cents per click, 20 cents per click. And when you click on all countries and you sort the EPC by highest, some of these offers pay even up to $3.20 on average per click. And this one, for example, 50 cents per click, this one $2.40 per click on average. So you can see that you can really make a lot of money on average per click. So if you send 1,000 people to this offer, you can expect to make $3,200. So guys, the sky is the limit with this CPA marketing strategy, and it's really up to you how much work and time you put into this method. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, then make sure to subscribe if you're new and smash the like button below to support this channel, and let's try to get 300 likes on this video. Now, I upload videos just like this every single week on my channel, so if you're not subscribed, you're missing out on a lot of free awesome content. So make sure to subscribe right now, and without further ado, let's continue. So for this example, I'm gonna go with the United Kingdom. Okay, I'm gonna choose a offer from the United Kingdom, and let's do something like let's do enter for a Lidl voucher. All right, so this has a payout of 170 and 15 cents per click. So I'm gonna click on it, and this is the offer landing page, and here is your affiliate link. You wanna copy it, and now I'm gonna show you guys the next step you need to take in order to make $100 per day with this strategy. So now what you want to do is open heylink.me. Now Heylink is a landing page builder that is 100% for free, and you can add up to 10 offers on your landing page 100% for free. So make sure to register for a free account, and I'm going to sign up for you guys to show you how this works. So as you can see, this is my dashboard, and when I click on my landing page, all right, so as you can see, this is what we are going to be doing. We're going to be giving people away exclusive giveaways, and we can add lots of giveaways, all right, lots of offers on our landing page. So for example, this is an iPhone 14 offer, this is a Shane offer, this is a Lidl voucher, and so on. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create a landing page just like this right now. So first of all, what you want to do is click on appearance, and the first thing you want to do is change your theme. All right, so I have the dark tangerine theme, but it's completely up to you. There's a lot of free themes that you can pick from. The second thing you need to do is click on your username, and you want to enter a relevant username to the actual niche that you're in. So since we're giving away since we're giving away giveaways and we're promoting CPA offers, I'm gonna have my landing page name exclusive giveaways. All right, so this is my landing page domain. And what you want to do now is click on edit profile, and you want to add, this is very important, exclusive giveaways. And now what you want to add is try them all. So as you can see, this is my landing page title. So exclusive giveaways 2022, try them all. And I'm going to list all of the giveaways on my landing page from CPA Grip. So every time somebody opens the landing page and they want to enter for a chance to win a giveaway, they can click on one of these and enter their email, and we're going to make a small commission. So this is how CPA marketing works. So now click on links, and I'm going to show you how to add your offers on your landing page. So all you have to do is paste your affiliate link right here. So I'm going to copy it, go back to heylink.me. You want to paste it inside there. Okay, click on add new link. Okay, so as you can see, this is the link we have added, and now you want to change the title. So all you have to do is delete it, and you can actually copy the headline of the offer. So go back to Heylink and paste it inside there. So as you can see, enter for a little voucher. Okay, and now the best part about this is, so we have tried them all on the landing page title. So the best part is, if one person comes to this landing page, there's a high chance that they're gonna try all of them and enter their email on all of these offers. So we're gonna make a commission from all of these offers. So we're gonna make like $2 here, $1 here. So we can make up to like $5 or $10 per one person that comes to our landing page. All right, so that's awesome. So now the next part is, we need to copy our landing page URL, because this is the website that we're gonna be promoting online. We don't want to be promoting the affiliate URL, okay? We want to be promoting our landing page URL. So the next step is to open Pinterest.com. Now don't worry guys, you don't have to create any content or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to get tons of free traffic to your landing page and make $100 per day easily. And you don't have to create any content at all. So you want to head over to Pinterest. All right, I'm going to go to search. And you want to add something like save money. All right, you want to search for save money. Click on all pins, and now these are the pins that pop up for save money. All right, so chances are that if people are interested in these types of pins, they're going to be interested in saving money, and that's exactly where we come into place. We're going to give them giveaways that they can enter to save money. Now, to add these pins on your profile without making them, all you have to do is click on save. You're gonna save all of these pins that are relevant to your account. All right, so you can do something like saving money or making money, and you're gonna save all of these pins. All right, so your account gets filled up with relevant content. So when you click on my account, okay, I'm gonna click on my account. You can see guys that these are my personal videos that I have created in the past, okay? But when you click on saved, you can see that I have added pins save money. So when you click on it, you can see that I have added 5 pins in my board on Pinterest. Now, in order to create a board like this, all right, so to categorize your posts and your pins, all you have to do is click this plus icon and click on board. All right, so you can add your board name, make money online, click on create. Okay, and as you can see, you can add your pins to your board. So click on plus and you can add your pins. So now you can go to make money online pins. All right, you can search them, and now you can click on save. You can click on this little icon, edit, and you can edit this pin and add it in your make money online board. All right, so click on save. Now let me show you guys what people see when they come to our profile. So I'm gonna copy my profile, I'm gonna open it in a new incognito window. So I'm gonna click on new incognito window, paste it inside there, and you can see that when people come to my profile, they're gonna see make money online pins, save money pins. They can click on them and they can look at them. All right, so this is awesome. So now that we have content on our profile, now it's time to send people to our link. And now it's very easy to do. All you have to do is click on edit profile, and here is your name, your photo, and your about. Okay, so make sure to add something like exclusive giveaways to receive free stuff online, enter all offers for the best chance of winning, and here is where you add your website URL. All right, so I'm gonna click on the website URL, copy it, and paste it inside here and click on save. So now when you click on my profile, all right, let me show you guys. This is my link and this is my bio. So exclusive giveaways to receive free stuff online. And once you start saving pins, once you start filling your account up with content, just like I'm doing, all right, you don't have to create content yourself. You can just do what I showed you in this video. You can save pins to your board and they're gonna appear on your profile. So now what you can do is you can search for profiles like make money online, all right, something like this. Now you're gonna click on all pins. And now you can find a bigger profile in your niche. All right, so let's check out this profile. And as you can see, she has 70,000 monthly views from just her Pinterest account. Now what you can do is click on followers and you can start following all of the people that are following this account, because if they're following her, that means they're interested in making money online and in saving money online. So if you start following every single person on this list, let's just say you're going to be following 100 people per day, then chances are that a lot of these people are going to check out your profile, they're going to click on your landing page and submit your CPA offers. And this is how you're going to make money. Now, obviously, I'm going to show you an awesome tool that you can use to automate this entire process. So now head over to a new tab and search for followlike.com. And you can see that when you click on Pinterest, this tool will allow you to follow and unfollow users and like their pins automatically. So all you have to do is set this bot up and it's automatically gonna like, comment, follow, unfollow for you. All you have to do is set up the bot. You wanna add the Pinterest account that you wanna target. So for this instance, it will be legit work at home, and the bot is automatically gonna follow all of her followers. So as you can see, you can follow users, unfollow, you can unfollow boards, you can share photos, you can like pins, unlike pins, and you can also send direct messages. So if you want to sit back and not do any of the work yourself, then I would suggest going with the followlike.com tool. And this is exactly how I was able to make $8,000 with Max Bounty back in 2018 when I used to do CPA marketing and free traffic full time. So now that you know all of the steps to this method, now it's time for you to go out there and start using this method yourself and start making money. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and also comment down below if you're going to try out this method. I'm curious to see what you guys think. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.